What you're seeing here is the final production Altis Delta. What's up, Voro Army? Damon here. Today I'm going to walk you through the unboxing of the Altis Delta. First, grab a pair of pliers and start opening the metal hooks around the crate. These take some force. There are 10 hooks total. Unhook all of them so you can lift the top lid. Now open the lid. You'll see the bike inside. Next, move to the bottom of the crate and pry open the hooks down there. After that, pry open the front panel of the box. Knock the front side loose and open it up. At Voro, what you see on our website is what you get. We keep it straightforward. First thing you'll find is a toolkit. And just to be clear, I know some YouTubers may have received the pre-production unit, but what you're seeing here is the real, original packaging. Now open the toolkit. You'll also find the foot peg inside. Next, remove the wood stopper that's sitting over the triple tree clamp. Here at VoroMotors, when you shop with us, you're not just buying a bike. We invest real resources into filming detailed video tutorials and stocking parts so you have access to long-term, reliable support. These videos are made for our riders, something you don't see most distributors doing. Your support allows us to keep releasing cool new products and continue standing behind everything we carry. Now tighten the screws. Install the handlebar and tighten everything down. While I'm putting this bike together, let me tell you a bit about VoroMotors. Voro started as a full-service distributor focused on electric scooters. Over time, we didn't just sell products. We went deeper and built our own factory to manufacture electric scooters ourselves. We've been operating in this space for over 10 years, and everything we do today is built on that experience. About 2 years ago, we picked up Air Ride Pro right when they first launched. Before that, we brought in the Altis Sigma. Now, with the Altis Delta, this feels like the next chapter. It's new direction, a new platform, and honestly, one of the motos I'm most excited to share with you guys. Next step, remove the front axle that's currently on the Altis Delta. Reposition the wheel clamp onto the wheel hub, then install the front wheel. Now tighten the front nut. Put one long L-shaped Allen key on each side, then use leverage and tighten in opposite directions. Tighten it down even more. Now unwrap the key. Next, tighten the triple tree clamp. Install the metal bracket. Tighten the 2 screws on the metal bracket. Now loosen the screws at the center of the forks. This is to prepare for installing the front fender. Next, tighten the front fender onto the bracket. Install the front bike plate. Now moving to the rear of the bike. This is probably the most challenging step, and you may want a friend to help. Lift the rear of the bike, align the rear suspension, and bolt it onto the frame. Tighten everything down securely. Finally, install the foot peg. Loosen the screws first. Position the foot peg in place, then tighten it down. Now let's move on to the brake installation. First, gently depress the brake lever and remove the stopper. Next, unscrew the brake caliper mounting screws. These screws are used to mount the caliper onto the front forks. Once the caliper is aligned properly with the rotor, mount it onto the front forks. Use the provided Allen key to tighten the screws. For best leverage, use the longer side of the Allen key to fully tighten the brake caliper mount onto the forks. Now for turning on the bike. On the left side of the handlebar, you'll find the small LCD screen. Press and hold the button to turn the display on. You can switch riding modes directly from the screen. There's no red or black key on the Altis Delta. And that's it. You're good to go.